Humalaya Malayana, ladies and gentlemen, the show is about to begin. Put your hands together as Lost World of Tambun proudly presents The Legend of the Malayana.
Look at that.
Alright, so thank you everyone for choosing Sunway as your holiday destination. Alright, so before that I want to introduce to you, my name is MC Kirana and I'll be your host for today. Okay, so right now as you can see in front of me, okay, we do not have enough villagers, so I need a volunteer from all of you. Okay, so kepada sesiapa yang ingin join kita punya dance haka, adik-adik, abang-abang, kakak, parents, boleh join ke hadapan. Jom, 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 jom. Sinilah, sini. Come. Everyone can join, okay? We have to complete our ritual. So I need a few villagers, okay? My villagers, can you assist them? Okay. Ramai-ramai pun boleh. Abang akak parents pun boleh join. Okay. Ada lagi ke? Come. Okay. Yang mana tinggi dekat belakang, yang pendek dekat depan. Hello. Okay, alright. Ada lagi ke? Okay, I think that's all. Alright, everyone, give a big clap to our new villagers. Alright, so right now, okay, all of you can follow me. Alright, so the first step is angkat kedua tangan anda. Put your hands up. Okay, alright, and then put your left hand to your right elbow, like this. Okay, and then change. Put your right hand to your left elbow. Yeah, like that. Okay, and then clap your thigh, and then clap your hands. Alright, that's all. Okay, not just all for that, we also have a chanting. Okay, so everyone can follow me. Okay, we call it Humalaya Malayana. Okay, so everyone can follow me. Humalaya Malayana. Yes. Okay, so the step is Hu Ma La Ya Ma La Ya Na. Okay, Hu Ma La Ya Ma La Ya. Now faster. Hu Ma La Ya Ma La Ya. Now Hu Ma La Ya Ma La Ya. Now Hu Ma La Ya Ma La Ya. Now Hu Ma La Ya Ma La Ya. Now. Okay, so everyone, you got a step? Dapat ke adik-adik? You got? Okay, adik-adik?
This is the best spot.
Alright, okay, so everyone yang dekat bawah pun boleh follow kita punya step. Okay, kalau tak tahu, just clap your hands. Alright, so everyone, are you guys ready for the haka? Okay, without wasting any more time, let the haka begin. Alright, just follow me. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, kanan, kiri. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. Clap. Tumpuk ni. Tumpuk tangan. Tumpuk je. Clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. Okay, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, ready? Humalaya Malayana. Humalaya Malayana. Humalaya Malayana. Humalaya Malayana. Iya. 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 Alright, okay. Everyone give a big clap to all of them. Yeah. Alright, so thank you so much everyone. You may have a seat back, okay? Adik-adik boleh kembali tempat duduk anda. Okay?
Alright,
Everybody
yeah.
say hey!
Hey!
Say ho! Say
Oh!
choo! Yeah, like that. Okay, without wasting any more time, I proudly present to you. This is Legend of the Malayana. Enjoy.
In a land where stars whispered secrets to the trees and rivers sing lullabies to the mountains, magic was no mystery. It was simply life itself. This was Malayan, a people who lived as part of the land itself. Their songs woven into the wind and their footsteps softened into the earth. Harmony reigned within the Malayana, preserved by the wisdom of the Great Seer, ancient as the first dawn. To eternalize the peace, the Great Seer concocted a potion that shimmered like the starry sky. A blend of stardust, soulroot, and the rarest of them all, heart bloom petals. But fate had other designs. On the day of the potion's making came two brothers born of prophecy. Like fire and ice, they were of formidable power, but only one could be the protector. While the elder was chosen to guard the potion, the younger was left forgotten in the shadows.